self-care night. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you probably don't know. I moved houses like a month ago. So this is the first time I'm filming in this kitchen. We have a white marble kitchen. All of my prayers have been answered. That's all I have to say. I had black countertops for the past like 7 years and I loved the heck out of that little apartment. She raised me. She was so cute, but I'm so happy to be on to the next chapter. And we're gonna start off our little self-care night with some baking because I just got this mixer and I really want to be in my baking era. So we're gonna make an Earl Grey cake loaf. I searched on Pinterest and I found like this London fog cake, which I think that's like basically the same thing. Preheat oven to 350. Oh my gosh, I have not used my oven. That's kind of sad. Okay, I've been here a month. To be fair, I use my Ninja air fryer for literally absolutely everything. Let's preheat the oven. I'm a little nervous because like I haven't used this oven. The oven light's little like time is not on. I don't know if my oven works. Hold on. See, there was like no light. Low key though, my Ninja air fryer has a bake setting. Do we want to try this? Do I want to rely on that? Hey Siri, can I bake a cake in my Ninja air fryer?
Cakes in the air fryer. First thing you'll want to do is put 3.5 tablespoons in the microwave.
Okay, other people are doing this. Yeah, she will fit. Wish me luck. Got our bathtub all set up. I bought Ollie, what's the other one? Olipop and Poppies today so that I could do a little cute fancy drink. Raspberry Rose Poppy. I think I've had this one before, but I don't really remember how it tastes. Obviously probably like raspberry rose. Perfect for a little fancy night. Wow, this ice cube is like loud. I didn't do my nails today, which was bad of me because I should put nail polish on to protect them. But since I didn't do my nails, I'm not really worried about messing them up. Oh my gosh, that's even better than I remember. Prebiotics and apple cider vinegar. So it's like actually really good for you. That is fantastic. I love this little bath caddy that I got off of Amazon because it has this little slot for your drinks that you can slide right in there. Oh, hi. Dude, I swear if you jump in right now, please don't do that. Come on, exit the premises. Come, come. I'm just using my cellar water to take off my makeup for today. I actually cleared my skin for about 3 years when I was using Emmy Diane, and then I switched to Face Reality. My skin loved it. Then I went off of it for like a year and my skin was not having it. My skin this time last year was horrific. Worse than anything I had experienced before. It was like cystic acne. So I decided that I was gonna go back on Face Reality products since it had worked so well for my skin before. Well, I did that really consistently. It did not work the same. I guess my skin was needing something different. What really threw me off was when my mom booked us a facial for my birthday last year. I went to the facialist and she was like, do you know how severely dry your skin is? She was like, like, yeah, you really need to like watch the acids that you're using on your skin because your skin is super dry. Finally took the problem into my own hands. Cosrx, I don't know how to say the word. That brand, I had their snail mucin. This is supposed to be really hydrating. I'm just gonna start using hydrating products on my skin. I'm gonna give my skin a break from acids. A month later, your girl started seeing all of her acne go away. I also started using Centella Ampoule. That helps with the redness in my skin. You guys will see it in a little bit, but I cleanse my face and then I put on this, and then I go in with my snail mucin essence. And then I even found they have a snail mucin cream. So I've been doing the cream. It's just helped my skin so much, which is such a relief because it was just so heartbreaking to feel my face last year. So I'm kind of even a little nervous to try this on my skin since I just got it. So I'm not gonna put it on for too long. Since it says it's acne safe, I think it'll be just fine. Put on my cleansing oil. Then I'm gonna shave my face with these cute little Dermaplane face razors. I've been using the Biossance Squalene. I was really nervous to put oil on my face. So happy with the 7 days that I've used it so far. It makes my skin feel so hydrated and soft. Very impressed with this air fryer cake. Let's give it a try. Wow. This just might be the best baked good I've ever made, and the fact that this was made in an air fryer makes it 10 times better. This is gonna be so good in the morning with like a cup of tea. I'm so happy with this. Mwah! Nailed it. Officially in my baking era. My skin feels so soft. The mask didn't even make my face red. Usually I get like a little outline, just redness on my skin, but that didn't even happen. So that was great. And I put a few little pimple patches on to keep everything clean. I have a few more little nighttime rituals that I'm gonna do specifically tonight. I don't do these every night, but since it's a pamper night, you know, we might as well. I currently have some Gilmore Girls playing over here. I also have this magnesium spray, which I'm gonna spray on the bottom of my feet. My mom put me onto this and she says it's supposed to help you sleep. I haven't noticed like a super big difference, but I've only done it like twice. So I'm gonna do it tonight just as like an extra little step. I also picked up this cherry juice shot from Trader Joe's today. I know that tart cherry juice is supposed to help you sleep better at nighttime. I don't know if this is the same. Even if it doesn't help me sleep, it's a good shot of vitamin C. I also have my gratitude journal right here, which I journaled in this morning. This is like a blank one, but you can see it gives you a little daily quote, and then in the morning you do these 3, and then the moon for at nighttime you do these 2. Good things that happened today and what I learned today. Before I do my gratitude journal, I'm going to do 14 minutes of red light therapy. I have noticed the biggest difference when I do this like 5 to 7 times a week. I try to do it every single day. I've noticed the biggest difference in fading my acne scars. It also lightens up freckles. It doesn't take them away, so like you don't have to worry about that. At least like it doesn't take mine away. I still have tons of freckles all over my nose, but it lightened the ones on my forehead where I don't have too many, and then my acne scars disappear when I do this consistently. Sorry, I don't even know if you can hear me through this, but I used to do 10 minutes. I just upped the setting on my remote, and the next notch was 14 minutes. I read online that anywhere between like 10 to 15 minutes a day is really all you need and all that your body can absorb. And watch some Gilmore Girls while I do this.
I really wanted to be your stepfather.
So, what would you say are the great